Hey, this is Alan from Firewire Ads. Welcome to the podcast episode of Unlocking Growth, why every business should leverage meta advertising. Now, meta consists of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, you name it, you got it. We're going to be talking about this in this show, why you should be advertising on the meta platform. So let's dive deep into digital marketing strategies, trends, and insights that help your business thrive in today's digital age. Now, I'm Alan. I'm your host and digital marketing from firewireads.com. We're unlocking the potential of meta advertising for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a team of one or a team of 100, we're going to get you going. So whether you're a startup, small business, a global enterprise, we'll explore why platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp are your key component to advertising strategy. Now, understanding the meta advertising platform. To kick things off, let's understand what meta advertising is. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, owns some of the most popular social media platforms in the world, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and who knows what's to come. With billions, in fact, 3.5 billion users globally, Meta offers unparalleled access to potential customers. Well, what makes advertising stand out on Meta? Let's break it down. So, the beauty of meta advertising lies in its sophisticated targeting capabilities. I mean, you can target right down to the nitty gritty. They have more than 10,000 pain points or 10,000 points of interest from each single person. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You can really narrow and find the audience that you're looking for. Okay. So the precision ensures that your ads reach the most relevant audience, maximizing your ROI of return on investment. So, not only could you reach millions of people with just a few clicks of a button, but you can reach, 100, 200,000 people, the right people. So if you're looking for people that are looking for women's shoes and are in the shopping industry and in a certain location in a city and age 18 to 21 years old and like to shop online, you can find that exact person. That's what's really, really important when you're doing any type of advertising. Now, segment number two, we're going to be moving on to benefits of meta advertising. Now, it's fascinating. Not only can you target the right person, but let's dive into why businesses should consider meta advertising. What are the actual key benefits? There are several, so let's get started. Let's focus on just the top ones. First, the absolutely reach that we mentioned before. You're accessing a massive and diverse audience. Second, the versatility of ad formats. From stories to ad formats to videos to memes, you name it, you got it. Third, the analytics. Meta provides some of the most detailed insights of your performance, your advertising performance, allowing for data-driven decisions. Not only can you stop ads if they're not working and then you're getting, $40 per lead and that's way too high, you got to drive that down. Something's wrong with the copy, the video, the ad, with your target audience. Something's not relatable to that audience. The analytics is what just makes it insane. And lastly, the integration is so simple on Meta. They make it easy. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all that ties into not only marketing, but remarketing and retargeting, which we'll be talking about in another episode. You can create a cohesive campaign that runs across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, probably in less than 15 minutes. So here's some success stories that we had at Firewire Ads. Some of the benefits sound compelling, right? But do you have any success story to illustrate the power of meta advertising? We sure do. So let's talk about a small local bakery in the Houston Heights that we used Facebook ads to drive awareness in the city. Now, people may not know this, but brand awareness is the first step in the sales funnel. That is the first step. So we always just start off with brand awareness. People don't know who you are. That's why number one reason why people fail is because of anonymity. So by targeting locals interested in baked goods and leveraging mouth-watering images that just like, wow, that sugary donut looks awesome, they saw a significant uptick in store visits and orders. We got a ton of orders. We got a ton of visits. So it just dramatically increased that donut shop more than 500%. I mean, the business was insane. So another example was a tech startup that used Instagram ads, only Instagram, to showcase their app. So they had a great functionality app that's, will schedule clients automatically, but they didn't know how to get the word out there. A great group of programmers, but just didn't know about advertising. We showed them a couple of niches that Facebook and the Meta program can do. And not only did it increase sales, but it doubled the sales. And we're talking about profits that excelled over $500,000. So yeah, there's a lot of power in the meta advertising campaign. Segment 4, let's get started with the meta advertising. Now, these stories are truly inspiring. A lot of our listeners thinking about starting with meta advertising. What are the first steps that you should take? So first, you got to clearly define your advertising goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, in which we talked about this is your first step in the sales funnel? Drive traffic to your website, which is almost a step in the right direction of brand awareness. Boost sales with lead conversions. These are all 3 different categories when creating your campaign. So this is really, as we're defining these steps, these are actually the steps it would take to run Facebook and meta campaigns. So, the further you get down, the better. Are you looking to increase brand awareness? I hope so. So remember, always keep that in mind. Once you have your goals, create a meta business account. We have a YouTube video, how step by step, how to create a meta business account. Really, it starts with creating the Facebook page, the Instagram account, and then linking them together. And then that'll automatically create you a Facebook business account. Okay. From there, you can start exploring the different ad formats and targeting options. And don't forget to set a budget. It could be a small budget, $20 a day, something that you're comfortable with. Set it, forget it, $20 a day. Maybe for 30 days, it's $600. And just, it takes a little while for the Facebook meta advertising business, the algorithm to actually start. It has a learning phase. Okay. So in conclusion, let's gonna summarize with this. It's clear that meta advertising is a powerful toolkit for any business, from big to large to enterprise to single person businesses. It's a must have. Now, we encourage you to consider how meta advertising can fit into your marketing strategy. It's an investment that when it's done right, it can yield substantial returns. It takes a little time getting it going and, looking at the numbers, making sure that the analytics, the ROI is kind of like going the same direction that you want, making sure that you're not spending $2 to get $2 to get $1. You should be spending $2 to get $3. So I hope that helps. I'm Alan from FireWireAds.com. It's a great little podcast. This is the first podcast we've had in a while. So we hope you find it valuable, insightful. Check us out. We're going to throw another podcast tomorrow. So we'll continue to explore the latest in meta Facebook advertising. Until then, innovating and moving forward. I shall see you on the next one. I'm Alan from FireWireAds.com. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe and learn how to make money online at FireWireAds.com.